Hey guys, welcome to Creative Beep. Let's open up Illustrator and get started with our next lesson, the interface. We have already looked at the interface once. This is not necessarily something we are familiar with, especially if you have not used any Adobe products before. The people who have used Photoshop before probably take some comfort on the left hand side of the interface. Now each of this toolbar up here have little arrow and that expands the palette. In this case it just make two columns instead of one column, and that's kinda nice. Over here on the right you have a lot of new things. You will be learning all this in the coming videos. Once you have learned Illustrator, you will move away from the default interface. And now in the top of the Illustrator you can see the Essentials button. This button says in what layout we are currently in. You can click and look on it and see different layouts for different needs. Illustrator's interface is really controlled by this Windows menu. If you look at the windows, you can see we can arrange things. Adjust the workspace. You got extensions and so much stuff, and also you have all of these different palettes. Now you can see all the ones have checked off that I can see currently on my right hand side. When you want something which is not available on the right side menu, let's say gradient option, you just simply go to Windows and check for the gradient, and now you see gradient over here. Illustrator interface is movable, easily customizable. You can select these things, dragging them here and around really makes it your own. You can also pull them apart and make them floating. Now you know that the interface is that what you make it and whatever the tools you use most. And for now we are going to stay with the Essentials interface. It's all that we need. In the next lesson we are going to set up our first document in Illustrator, so stay tuned for that.